Hello and welcome to another design lesson for Use Your Voice. It's lesson 7. We've all been home for quite a while. Look what I've discovered while we're here. Look, I've got loads of these yum yum things. One of my favourite things to do is have a quick yum yum in between videos. Got shrimp flavour here, but look what I found. We've got somebody here bought duck flavour. I didn't buy this, but somebody's eating duck flavour in this house. Can you believe it? Okay, so we're going to go on with the lesson today, which is to how to choose your design. Now, in your design, there should be some of the rules you had for each design. And today we're going to be getting some feedback from the class, and we're going to look at examples and see if we can work out what to improve. Your homework would be to improve your design if it needs it. And don't forget to add your design to the design folder. Now, I really want to remind you that because some people, they do absolutely amazing design and then forget to hand it in, which is kind of crazy. So if you go to your documents, you can use the insert button, press picture, and then you can just choose your design, doesn't matter where it is, and then make sure that that is there, ready for your teacher to see it. Let's just add that again. That goes in there at different size. Also important to make sure that if you do take a picture, that we can read it. So make sure it's big enough for your teacher to be able to see what the writing is. Okay, back to the lesson. What we're going to be doing next lesson then is to choose a design and start to plan how to make our marketing campaign. Now, all designs should be graded against the specification. So if you remember from previous projects, get your specification list and put them in there and say, did we meet each specification for each design? And you have to do that not just for the poster, but also for the video. Now, once you've done that, what we're going to do is go ahead and get some feedback from some people. You could do that with people in your house. You can get some feedback from people in your class. But again, what we don't want them to do is to give them get them to give you feedback on how pretty your design is or how pretty your storyboard is. What we want them to do is look at the message in there and then give you the feedback. So I've got some questions already for your poster. You can say, can you understand the message instantly and why or why not? What did you notice straight away and what needs to be improved? Same goes for the storyboards. What you can see here is that you've got different questions. One of the questions I've asked is, what kind of emotion do you think you'll get from the film? Don't forget, we're trying to convince people to listen to your message. So you want to see, does it make them laugh? Does it make them cry? Try and find out if they can work out what the message is just based on your designs. Also, super important, does the video make you want to take action? Try and see if they can see that you've tried to get somebody to do something. And also, will it change their opinion? Now, this is then also the important part of doing this whole thing. We're not just looking for the feedback, but what you learned from the feedback. Does the feedback mean that you're actually going to change your design? So try and give a summary of the feedback of your poster design you've received and what you can change to make your design better. Now, all this must go in your design folder and explain which design you think you might want to choose, and list the reasons why you chose that. Now, you might both have created okay designs and you then want to put them together to come up with an absolute final design. Maybe you read the design of your partner and came up with a totally new but even better idea. So you could do a final design, and that will help you explain why you've chosen that design. Okay, we're kind of there for today. We've got to the end of the lesson. If you have any questions, then both Mr. Von Rijn and myself are available right now via Skype. That's it. Hope you're safe, and we'll see you next lesson.